Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, November the 11th, 2022. Yes, it's Singles Day in Asia. Yes, we have two puzzles solved: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one, yes, you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Number 5, 4, 6, 7. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. All right, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have 3 1s in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be no. If I place the 4th 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s in this column. So the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Well. Then, let me think. 3 O's. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s in the last column. So the rest are O's. Okay. Let me continue with this one. If I place the number 4, the 4th O here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Then I need to wait. Yeah. 3. Wait, 3, 1. Okay, here we have 3. No, need to wait. Well, this one is not easy. Well, I think we need to look for comparing, because this row and that row is almost the same. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Yes, between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Okay, 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here or there, then we have the 4th O. Then here in this row we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So here can be an O, or there can be an O. It must be here, of course, because between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So 1, the first one, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. All right. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, and now double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3 ones, 1, 2, 3 O's, 1, 2, 3 ones, 1, 2, 3 O's. Well, need to compare again. 110. Do we have 110 here? This row, the first row, and the last row. Well, let me compare the O, the 1, 1, the O, the O, the 1, 1, and an empty box, and the 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, completed in 6 minutes. Well. You need to compare twice, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.